Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to find Bitcoin tax document on your Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in this video description as it's here in the center. As you guys can see right there toward the center of your middle screen, you're gonna see the Amazon Prime trial right there. So that's the link. And I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to cancel like anytime that you don't like. But I highly recommend it for you to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to find Bitcoin tax document. We'll start by opening up Cash App. Once you open your Cash App, look on the upper right hand corner where you're gonna see a profile icon right there. Make sure you select that, or you're gonna be like a little profile picture or a circle with a person inside. Select that, and once you go on this main screen right here, make sure you select documents. Documents right there. Select documents, and you're gonna get in this categorical right here where they're gonna say document, and make sure you select the Bitcoin right there. Once you here, select that, and that's how you find your Bitcoin tax document on your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in this video description. As I said earlier, it helps you save a lot of money, and which is a huge privilege for you to save a lot of money. And thank you for watching.